We are here in state of Andhra Pradesh to impart that education, training, which also has a component of certifications for SMEs. They enroll with the program, that they get to understand what SAM as a standard is all about, how it can improve their own IT management, how it can improve their own internal IT efficiencies, how it can enable them to come out with robust IT policies which can provide them data security, as I said, employee productivity, and then reduce the total cost of ownership. Main objective is to enable the SMEs to understand how IT SS can play a very important role in the overall business productivity and growth. Our objective is also to let them understand that SAM is an indispensable standard today, which companies need to manage their IT assets. And this is in alignment with the business growth every SME and the organizations today are facing in the state. And we also give them opportunity to come and actually undergo SAM reviews, led by very reputed partners of ours and overseen by BSA, and they can even walk away with a good certificate of recognition, which will give them good reputation amongst their vendors and clients and partners. BSA successfully completed the SAM certification and education awareness programs in the state of Karnataka and in the state of Maharashtra. In Karnataka, we reached out to almost 700 SMEs, and in Maharashtra, we successfully reached out to 500 SMEs. And we are very proud to be in the state of Andhra Pradesh as our third state to launch this program.